Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I was so excited to add a little light to my little garden. And these are the ASMAD solar lights for outdoors. It is an 8-pack, 64 LEDs, and they are so simple to put together. There are no wires connecting these. They have their own separate solar power source. And you just take the stake and plug it in to the bottom. That was so easy. That's all you have to do. So now repeat that 8 more times. You now can place them anywhere you want in the garden. You can space them out however you need, and they are waterproof, which is so good because this is in my garden. I'm watering very often this area. I love how they sway in the wind. They look so beautiful by themselves, but the best part about these is that it also beautifies it during the nighttime. And I just love the look of these. So each of these solar lights, like I said, has its own personal solar box. And you can go to each one. There's a switch underneath it that you just switch it to the left, and to turn it back on, you switch it to the right. I don't have a lot of space to make a garden, so I was just so excited to have an opportunity to beautify our little area here. I've gotten so many compliments on my garden and how beautiful the lights make it look. And that's my point of view.